This, you know.
Follow the arrow. Oh, follow the arrow. So now, follow the arrow. Yeah, down the road going. Follow the arrow.
It's gas.
Yeah, let's see. Watch you.
Follow.
Yeah.
Follow, lead.
Oh, man.
Falara, come here.
Go on, that's a soul.
We have to go and get Gunga weekend.
Can't wait for now.
Well, just get where you get done.
Got some bongo and some saltfish and all. Wrong provision.
See it there.
See it? I eat this. Come in now.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, then everybody out. Bite it out, test it out. On every pepper out. On every pepper out. It was sweet pepper.
Yeah.
Check it. When you say yeah, sweet pepper.
History.
This one?
History is here.
Yeah, man, buy a pound, man. Got trade me a trade with great time. Yeah, me get $50 what you want to say.
What you buy now? Much flour?
Much flour? Much flour are there?
You must know the flour man, you know.
Just 1.5 pound of flour, half pound of corn meal. Refines corn meal. The rough one, the corn man, the rough one. Stop on my throat more time, I drink all the water.
You wanna have flour?
Yeah.
How much is?
Like bean pepper. Let me string bean.
String bean?
You don't have that. Oh yeah. The man already yet. The man already yet. Watch that. The man already yet. Them never have meat must taste. This already, watch that.
So the man buy the pepper and taste it for tree.
It's fresh.
Fresh.
Seriously. I put my life on the line for that pepper here. Right now. Look.
Not hot.
No. Fresh.
Fresh.
Yeah, we're gonna put in the fire and make you get that, you know.
The man is special, man is chef, you know. So the man know. And it's fresh. Yeah, I eat the man eat half of it already. I eat everything. Alright, what we need?
Yeah,
I told you I love
onion.
Come on, Arden.
Onion, man. You my thing set now. You my thing set right now. I don't come a shop. I went by KFC, 1 bucket of KFC, and then I got pizza out. I buy a box of pizza, and then I go to the supermarket and with a jug of juice and come here and I say, God, I'm here in a road. Child, what am I doing? Then listen to me. Get him on somebody. Oh.
I just onion.
Yeah, me get that, man. Watch it now. Sorry.
And buy a
tomato.
A big shit I
want tomato.
You know, I want to go to tomato, Roger.
Well, nobody buy it to me. I want tomato.
You know, I have tomato, Roger.
I have tomato. I have still sell it now, but I use it.
What's your name?
I want to spoil. I use it.
I want to cut about your name.
Yeah. I'm saying one butter. But here we go. Since I steam things still.
You know,
I forgot. Well, I know. I forgot to say. And a gas stove I use. I forgot to gauge the cold stove then. I'm going to kill tonight. Gauge it. Oh, cherry no one come.
tell you what I go.
Let me tell you what I go.
tell her what I Roger.
Don't come and shop, come buy this.
Yeah.
Jump on a bus. KFC. Waiting on me.
2:30.
I'm going to come and never go and push it going up. For them see me as a member. Security let me in. Go on in. They're giant light. Talk and get my own alcoholic. Walk out. Pizza out. I have a box of pizza.
Come and shop, come buy.
In a supermarket. I jug of orange juice. Walk out back and pay for it. Thank you. Yeah. You have to catch too.
Women and our friend in the good life.
You know so long we know you, know. Long time we know you.
Go on.
Years.
We'll talk to our next good long time friend.
Yeah.
We'll tie flowers. Alright.
Yeah, we are cook a pot.
No book a pot.
Yeah. So we are going out and cook. Mommy, see you in a bit.
Me, Mr. Cross, aka Slash Camp.
Alright.
Right now, I'm on a party now. That night there, you know. So me, I'm done a murder around here. We're falling that night there.
Yeah.
Oh. And then jokes about the party now.
Yeah. I just keep here for about mash up.
Yeah, much of something, you know. That night there, you know. I make some love flower, you know.
I love flower.
Love in them flower.
Yeah, no.
Take a moment, I don't want to lose.
L-O-V-E. See the settings, yeah.
And David last night.
This is the good life pot. Cabbage, banana. Tell them what you have, Roger. Again and again.
Jamaican food. Pumpkin.
Yeah, we prepare pumpkin.
We have carrot.
Yeah.
Tomato. We have onion. Yam. Look, yellow. I don't know if it's purple, but it's look at it. It's a yellow yam.
Yellow yam.
Look at it. Look, green banana on this side. Look, come like them banana, come like how far them come from. But I'm near them barn,
Them ban me.
near. Check it. I see have two lovely cabbage on the side here.
Yeah, lovely cat.
Yeah. Because a selfish I go and string, you know?
Starfish.
Go on. You know?
You see starfish. Yeah.
Yeah, him the Joan already see, but me a Joan anymore. You know what I mean? Oi! See me a cook. Number one pot and stove.
People, this is Roger, the sample man in a Seaview. This is Roger, the sample man in Seaview. So when I watch this program and I watch him, I for just prepare for laugh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in the good life, when I for just prepare for laugh, when I watch them.
Yeah, when I need the flour, then I rush something because you spoil it. You take a little time. Look, moisture, you know, when the husband have a pen in the back, take the time more to have it. Rub it in, you know? It's soaking. Look at yeah. Look, you see it? Look on the floor.
Yeah.
You say it's soaking, rub it. And I keep not making it, I rub it.
Darling, them a joke here, miss you out here.
So how long the pot I got take for cook, Roger?
Well, at the stove, I got to tell me what I go on, you know. I'm going to gauge it, you know.
Yeah.
First thing I'm going to put on the dumpling pan first.
So how you gauge cold stove?
I will show you.
I first mean is my. That's why I gauge cold. Oh, the
This
water.
use and gauge it. The
Okay.
water.
Okay.
Yeah. Calm down.
Calm down.
Stop it.
Stuff it. That well gauge.
Isa.
Stop all of them something then, Roger.
Guys, make it tight and murder. See me I say? Put a love in the flour. Go on talk to the flour, yeah.
So you have to talk to the flour.
Put a good love in it.
You know, so fucking can't catch up with a burger. You come with that, man. Fucking can't catch up.
Look at one burger where you're going. Look at one burger where you're eating a burger that. You don't tell me I got Burger King youth. Eh? Or 6 burger me alone a box up, you know. I'm say a crime scene me create a Burger King, you know. They want to talk about burger. You know what in them burger?
Yeah.
The kids burger they want to talk about burger. Oh no, you want something big like this, some box of all this, some bangos and the publishers. Don't look! I'm belly size. Still hungry. When I say, again, I'm say, you're not the mama.
I smell it, say that. He said, look by your good side, you see, say, hungry.
Eh? You create scene I don't do that. What I say? Take away the whole pot of food and meat and the people look for it on the bus. Go and go in one part with it.
Shakira.
Yeah, I got beer things, man.
18 no.
Yo, stay one place.
Roger, what go on this one? Calculate dumpling.
Yeah.
I just want to put a little love in the dumpling style. Oh.
Come here, catch her, Dad. Come here. Come here and catch her.
Problem show a different way now. Them I look up on them things. Watch out now. Sometimes I steam things.
Yeah.
They don't make it soft, you know. I like it when it's crunchy, you know.
Crunchy.
Yeah.
See.
I like when cabbage too soft, Bridget. Wait, it's when cabbage soft, eh? It's when cabbage soft. All I said I have no teeth in your mouth. Get me?
Yeah.
Look, I'm taking like a soup, you drink. You know what I mean? Yeah. You, my darling, my God.
What about the Roger? Right now, dead.
No, Sam, if you steam up, come over that, man. You can test it if you want, you know. Don't come. Yeah. It's on its way.
It's so rich.
Yeah. When you get there, speak for itself.
That boat have muscle land. And when you land a mad thing. Greater the bunking.
Yeah. You know you use that, you know. Camera, they cut thing, you know. That's why they make greater, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, ease of tension, you know. So it's more when you them cook on and keep on them love carrots and naps.
You know what I mean? So you have to go have a restaurant more, man, Raja, man. You have to have a Raja cooking show, man. Where are you, man?
They put me there for have some serious people for the restaurant. It's the people that forget for the restaurant.
Yeah.
You can't make them love food like me, you know. You see me I say?
Right.
Me, I feel love the food more than them. You see me I say I'm charging. And so the things. If you know the food more than me, I got done it more than Raja. So if you watch them. You see me?
Me say, Raja, me say you cook a pound of flour and you alone eat that.
Yeah, man, I'm ready, man. I alone call a pound of flour, man, a pound of rice, man, pound of rice, man.
In one go.
And a one go, man. I tell you something, man. Me cook a pot of rice and peas, man. You see me? And so I'm done with it. Eh? Me jam out the whole of the peas. Pure rice left. Them they're nice.
Yeah, Raja, that's it.
Them they're nice, man.
Yeah, I like how you prepare this, you know? You say, then Raja the big chef, because he must say, you know?
Now cook again like that.
Raja, you don't pick up with the
No, not tell them.
Yeah, so when you have to go start it back, Raja, the good life, Jamaica Good Life, I'm going to need to see you very often a cook, you know? Yeah. You have to go, you definitely have to go show your talent what you have. And you're a chef, bad wow. So there's so much talent in a Seaview. Raja the chef, slash sample man, slash comedian,
History.
slash history man.
I don't know, so I used to them coming once a while.
History.
I told the man, I just say I can fight and go on in the youth. And so I'm done with the fight there.
Body start laugh.
Body. I say, Richard, I go for my phone, I say, you're late. You should be past party.
Much loving at the food star. Much loving at the food.
Yeah.
And a good life. So I say you have to cook with love, love.
Right. Hello.
If you don't cook with love, the food.
Nah, go work. Nah, go work.
And boy, the amount of laughter where you have, and boy, the amount of love where you say you put in the food, yeah.
No, Jesus Christ, I'll pot, I go laugh with it now.
I'll put, I go laugh with it now.
Let me see the dish right away with the spoon.
Yeah.
No, that we will come here, though?
Yeah.
Alright. We here now, I'm sorry, sir. No. First. And what we can use the flour, yeah, full it up. Apart. I try.
Remember I say you have the banana and the yam for going in, you know. If you full it like that.
I forgot what those, you know.
So how they not go hold at the pot? Hello. I never will.
There's something like them one.
You park them like here.
Not the same, you know.
Yeah, and spin it like wheel.
It's more time still. I'm going to break them here still and the man must have cook. It hurt me at more time because it's more time. Some man don't make dumpling bread. They will make people in the yard bread. Don't believe me? They just roll up the dumplings and just, you know, like have a big son of the door so. You look on every day and say, oh, I want it. Same so they make it. Same when the stone look at the door, so they make the dumpling, you know. I'm just throwing up a life to the back here now. Hope you will. Understand the kitchen. It was a mistake. I'm going to time now. So when they're rushing up, I don't want them to hurt, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, no sticking, rolling.
The ship soul and then Raja man.
Wow.
You know what I answer? You want energy.
And a time to jump right now. A time.
Fuck me, Jenna. I'm saying Raja there. I'm saying stop it in the stop. That's right.
I'll take something, yes. I drink a small bowl, mommy.
Small bowl?
Yeah.
Better when I did a chop over. Yeah,
Yeah, sure. Energy, Raja. Energy.
Give me one in the life. At two. Rum party. Virgin, you know.
Oh, regular.
Yeah. Two virgin for a long time. My father and your father.
Send me the contact now, when I go shop.
Raja the chef.
You don't remember saying you don't get to be there. You just come here.
Okay? I'm the alone get cold so much.
The man said Gage cold stove, man. Alone Gage cold stove.
Yeah, the man said, Gage just on it up.
Yeah.
The bar chef. Man said, Gage and Gage just come. She know what
I mean, the
it's
pan because it's up.
I'm big up
Is it
mama.
from it mesh?
Yeah.
From the mesh, the pan it is turned down.
Yeah.
My building can go on steam. I'm told.
I mean,
Street.
straight.
Yeah,
Yeah, store pan.
Either
No,
way,
no,
yeah.
stop pot.
Raja,
Stop store.
Raja, I gave the store. Turn down the store.
Use water, man.
Yeah,
Water.
water.
Yeah.
Talking like you, man.
Raja said Gage stove.
Gauge it with water.
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 And WARTER.
Water. A fake water that.
You don't do that. Why not? You go on a wallet. You go on a wallet. Tell me how.
I regularly do that one. I say you know if you want to.
Yeah, this is me. My ship has land. Raja,
Yeah.
what do you for respect?
Yeah.
See there? LT. More cabbage there and steam. Ready for, yo. This is Jamaica Good Life.
Oh, that.
Living the healthy life.
Gotcha. I told you the time when I look for me, I say, see you every day. You born with half a week. That's them look and see me and build up a week. Serious thing, I tell you. Boy, I just see what I
Thank you.
Raja and this are really so cool. Yes, we got good. So the good life part. Good life. Cabbage and dumplin.
Kino na one. Eh? No more this summer.
You don't want to.
Man.
Yeah, one.
You put it in the box.
Yeah, I love you.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.